guys, so today I've got another witch casket box to show you. Everybody really liked this when I did the last video, so I thought that I would get it again. I really liked it as well. It is a worldwide box, so to get it in the UK it's £27. To get it in Europe it's £32, I think. To get it in the rest of the world it's £35. So like I said, you can get it everywhere, which is great. I know a lot of you like it when they ship to like America and Canada and stuff. So this is January's box, I believe, and I think I like this one a little bit more than the last one even. So I'm going to show you what's inside. I've not opened everything fully yet. Oh, and the box has also changed. Last month it was just like a plain white box with a sticker. This month it's a black one with like a printed logo on it, which is a lot cuter. So when you open it up, it just looks like this inside, and it says Witch Casket. First thing we have is just a little note, like a little contents list. It says what's in the box. I'm not gonna read off this, I'm just gonna go through the things in the box, but pretty much I'd say half of the things in here, or over half, are exclusive items, so they've had this, you know, made for the box, which is cool. Then we have some art prints. Again, like I said last time, I don't really know what to do with art prints ever. I just don't have anywhere to keep them. Some of you came up with some pretty cool ideas, but whether I'll do it or not, I'm not sure. So we've got this tea cake art one that looks like this. And we have this one, which is Lisa Schilling, which is like a little cat and a moon and a crystal. So they're cute. Then we have another spell kit like we got last time. Now this one is called the Divine Wisdom Candle Ritual Kit. It says contains everything that you need to perform a ritual for wisdom, learning and clarity. So I haven't opened this yet. I'm going to open it now and see what is in here. Last time there was like a few herbs and stuff, so okay. So we've got a little card that's got the instructions on there, and we have got 3 candles. So we've got an orange, a purple and a yellow. Purple is for wisdom, orange is for learning and yellow is for clarity. So I'm not gonna read out this. If you want to pause the video and, you know, zoom in and have a look, then feel free, but this is our little spell anyway. Then next we have a pin. So this is an exclusive. It's like a little book that says words of wisdom on it. There's a little pentagram on there, so that's cute. Then next we have this little box, and it says all-seeing eye amulet for protection against curses, hexes and evil. So when it said amulet, I thought it was going to be a necklace, but it's actually like just a little stone. It is cute though. I'm not really sure where I will put it or keep it, but it's like a glass round like pebble kind of thing with an all-seeing eye on it. So that is cute. And then we have some incense sticks. They must send incense sticks with every box, I'm assuming, because we got some last month as well. These ones are called Black Magic. I can't really smell them through the box, which is a little weird. Usually you can, but it's just 20 incense sticks. Then we have some tea, which is black pear tea. I've not tried this yet. I've not tried the other one yet either, to be honest, but this one has blackberry leaves and pear pieces in it, so that sounds pretty nice. I will give that a try sometime. Then we've got another little scroll like we had last time, so I'm going to try and open this without ripping it. Oh, that one was kind of easy to open, to be fair. So this one has elements on it. It says the element of fire: confidence, fame, charisma, success, lust, athletic ability, willpower and courage and determination. The element of water: all kinds of healing, love, reconciliation, fidelity, harmony, fertility, physical ability and spirituality. The element of earth: abundance, money, material gain, fertility, communication with nature spirits. The element of air: intellect, passing exams, communication, writing, interviews, breaking bad habits. And the element of spirit: joy, union, transformation, transcendence, change and well-being. So I'm going to assume again you get one of these scrolls every time. I guess you could like make a little book out of them, join them together, like hole punch them or something, or stick them in something, because the last one had like what different candle meanings were and stuff on it, so that's pretty cute. Then we have this little baggie which has a keyring in it, which is like this, like a white skull. He's really heavy actually. It's just like a big 3D skull. Then I'm going to leave my favourite till last. We've got 3 things left. So we've got our gemstone. This one is a zebra agate. So it's quite a big chunk actually. And it looks like this. So black and white gemstone. This one says, it's great for those who need more physical strength and stamina. It's also thought to aid physical and emotional healing. Creative people could find that this stone boosts their creativity and supports them in their creative endeavours. The yin and yang stone, zebra agate, will help you stay focused and emotionally balanced. So that is cute. And then my 2 favourite things in the box, I put this on Instagram the other day, so if you follow me on Instagram you will have seen this, but there is a deck of cards that's called the Divine Wisdom deck. When you open it up, there's a card inside that tells you what to do with them, and then there's loads of random cards. So it says it can be used in several ways. You either ask a question and pull 1 card out to gain insight and advice. You pull 3 cards out for past, present and future, or you can use them as well as like tarot and oracle cards as well. But they are really cute designs. They have like little bats on and stuff, broomsticks, all-seeing eyes. I don't know, I really like these. I think they're really cute. So that is our little deck of cards, and then I think this is supposed to be sort of joined to it, but we have this tin that says wisdom begins in wonder, like a Ouija board kind of design, and it doesn't have anything in it, but I'm assuming that obviously you're probably supposed to put your cards in there to, you know, keep them safe and not mess them up. So I really liked this box. I thought it was really cute. I liked last month's witch casket as well, so I'm probably going to keep getting this box because, I don't know, I just find it interesting. It's got loads of different things in it. So I'm going to do a little overview of what we got. So we got the art prints, the spell kit, the tea, the scroll, which you seem to get every month, the incense sticks, the little book pin, the all-seeing eye amulet, the zebra agate gemstone, the little skull keyring, the Divine Wisdom deck, and the tin box to, I'm assuming, like keep them in. So yeah, I think this is quite a lot of really cool items for £27. So I will leave the link to them down below in case anyone wants to check it out. I hope you liked this video anyway, and if you did, then please subscribe and I will see you soon. Bye guys.